Hey, welcome. Billy Freddy's here with you. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can literally draw lines and make money online worldwide. Okay, this is very simple to do. You need no experience, and anybody can do this. So I'm really excited to share this. So before we get into it, hit that subscribe button. I've always got new videos and more ways for you to make money online. So definitely hit that subscribe button so I can share more cool stuff with you. And with that being said, I will also recommend my #1 source that's allowing me to make passive income from anywhere in the world, right? Even while I'm traveling, even while I'm sleeping. So it's going to be my #1 link below this video. Definitely check it out. And with that being said, let's go and hop into it and I'll show you how you can draw some lines and you can start making some money. Let's go to Amazon. Let me show you something really simple here. See, with Amazon, it's a huge platform and a lot of people are selling stuff on Amazon or other e-commerce stores. And one common theme that you'll see on Amazon is all these different products that are being sold, right? But the way they have to be sold is that they have to have a white background on each product. So it has to be a white background and just a clean product, okay? So they all have to look this way to be featured on Amazon, okay? So there are thousands upon thousands of people selling on Amazon and places like Amazon. So a lot of people, they need somebody to have their photos look like this. So I'm going to show you how to do this very simply. Okay, so check this out. On Fiverr, there's people doing this and it's called background removal, right? So you can go to fiverr.com, a free service, right? And you can put in remove background. Look how many people there are doing this. They're charging like $5, okay, to do this service, and this one has over 1,000 orders, 600 orders, over 1,000, over 400. So there's a lot of people doing this kind of thing. So check it out. We can go and say click on one of these services, right? And look, this person will remove their background from any theme that they like, any photo that they give them, and they charge $5. But look, they can also upgrade and do it for $25 or even $50. Okay, so some of these orders, they're actually making like $50. So it's pretty cool, right? And look, this person right now has like 4 orders in queue, right? We can go back and let's say go to this person has 11 orders in queue, and they're charging up to $100 for them their upgraded services. So you can make pretty good money. You can make $5 easy per order, and you're gonna have multiple orders coming at you per day. Okay, so here's how you would do this. I know you're thinking, how do I remove this? It looks very complicated, but it's very simple with a cool tool that I'm gonna introduce to you. You can go to clickingmagic.com and look how simple it is. All you do is just draw a line, okay, on the actual product. All right, like a green line, and then you draw like a red line on the background and it will remove the red line. Make sense? Very simple. And this is a very cool website. You can take a product, right, put a couple of lines on it and a couple of red lines of the section you want removed, like the background. You click remove and it looks just like this, right? White clean background. Okay, so very simple. It gives you a preview and all these different features. Look, before picture, after, a white clean background. You can feature any product like this and do this for people. Okay, there's a lot of people selling these little products and they need somebody to do this, clean their photos up. So check it out. You can go to Fiverr, sign up for free, okay, and you can post this order or this service. I would say charge maybe $5 to start with, and then you can increase your service price or give additional options to pay you more. Now, there's a lot of companies who will, say, hey, I will give you 100 photos. Can you do this for me? Like, say, absolutely, upgrade to one of my higher services, which is $100, and I'll do 100 photos for you. Listen, it only takes you about, 2 or maybe 5 minutes to do this. It's like 60 seconds. One photo is done, and then you do the next photo. So very simple. Even in bulk. Now check it out. You can charge $5 at least per service. Even with the free trial, it gives you some free services to play with. You can do 100 services. Like, look at this. The pricing on this is like, look at this, $3.99, $7.99 a month. It's crazy. I mean, you can earn like you can do like 100 photos for $5, you know, and you can get charged like just $7.99. And you can go to Facebook and just type in Amazon FBA. You can go to these groups and see the kind of people that are in these groups, and you can contact them and say, hey, I can remove some, you know, backgrounds for your photos for your like Amazon products or your e-commerce store, right? Or there's probably even people talking about how to do this, and you can reach out to them. Like, look at the 62,000 members. There's one that has over 100,000 members. There's a lot of these Facebook groups that have people who need this design. Look at this 200. Post your ad in here and say, hey, I'll remove a background from all your products, make it look nice and clean, like, you know, Amazon style. So there's different ways you can do this for free and get a lot of people to your offer. And once it blows up on Fiverr, people can find you. You can be featured on the top here. Look, you can have 1,000. Look, this person already over 1,000. He's made at least $5,000. So he probably has bigger orders, upgrades as well. So these people are making really good money. All right. So hey, listen, if you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And definitely hit the subscribe button so I can share more ways and opportunities with you how you can make money online, right? But listen, this is a great way for you to go out there and you know, somebody that has no experience, anyone in the world, and you can sign up for free and you can start applying this, you know, take action on this service, right? You can actually feature the service, look at some of the profiles, and, you know, on Fiverr, create your own with a free account. You can use a tool that I recommended for free to actually, you know, do your first few orders, right? And you can sell and start making money before you even, you know, have to pay anything. And that's like $7, $3 per month. That service to make tons of these photos, 100 of them, and you can make a lot of money actually doing this from the comfort of your own home. But listen, if you're looking to make more passive income, okay, with a very, very structured way, I'd love to show you how I'm making a lot more money per day, even while I'm sleeping, even while I'm traveling, right? If you love to learn how to make more passive income and from multiple sources, definitely check out my recommended source, the #1 link below this video, all right? And with that being said, go out there and make some money. Hope you found tons of value in this video that'll give you a lot of great ideas to go out there and start putting some money in your pocket. It's really not that complicated in this time and age, as long as you go out there and take action. And with that being said, I also look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.